Hey family, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. I want to say a very big thank you to my returning subscribers, and to my new viewer, you're welcome. So guys, in this video you want to know that it's going to be an important one that you don't want to miss out. Okay, so I'm going to use only 3 ingredients for this recipe. I am going to use watermelon, I'm also using pineapple, and the last ingredient is tomatoes. So then I want you to note that all these ingredients are loaded with antioxidants, and antioxidants helps protect the body from free radicals. It also helps us to prevent certain kinds of diseases. All right, so then you want to know, in all, this juice helps with anti-aging. It also helps to take care of your heart. It helps to lose weight and also helps to keep hydrated. But you also want to note that this juice has a lot of vitamins and minerals, and it has something like thiamine. It also full of vitamin C, and this helps you to boost or promote a happy hormone. And for the men, it really helps to boost your libido. So if you're somebody who has been trying to boost your libido but you don't know how, this juice is for you. It's a great juice. I mean, it's very important for you, and you want to give this a try.
Natural beauty, making fertility boosting smoothies, berries, go there for your table, cutie. Do it natural things, do it natural things. Daniels on the beat. Wow. Who say woman not the cook? Woman not the cook. Pretty guy don't do soup. He don't do soup. Oh, Rema healthy way. Oh, Rema healthy way. Oh, Rema healthy way. It's making my life healthy with berries, healthy, homemade smoothies, cutie smoothies, making Ghanaian dishes, building natural beauty, making fertility boosting smoothies, berries, go there for your table, cutie. Do it natural things, do it natural things. Daniels on the beat.
So guys, at this point, if you're still not part of this wonderful family, you want to click on that subscribe button. You want to put on bell notification. Anytime I upload a video, you are going to be notified. So then you want to know that you are free to watch any video on this channel. I'll be happy to have you here as part of my YouTube family. And you want to know I love you so much, and I really appreciate you. I'll keep the support coming. My returning subscribers, I love you guys. So guys, until I come your way again next time, here is Rema Healthy Way. Stay cool, be safe, drink enough water, keep hydrated, and know that someone is loving you from afar. So I'm going to add some mint to it. That's optional. If you don't have it, that's cool. I just love the flavor, and yeah, so you don't have to worry too much about that. Okay. See you on my next video.